I like to think about books that Simon Element publishes as answering a question, and typically that's something that is improving on their lives. So it's, whether you're looking for something to make for dinner, in our cookbooks, or it's answering a health question, or it's another area that is answering something that is something to be prescriptive in your world. And sometimes that is like in communication or relationships, but it's all kind of building on these elements that are foundational to building a healthy and happy life. Simon Acumen is our division that publishes business books and experts in the business world. And we are very excited that it's a relatively new imprint of ours, and we have a lot of really exciting books coming out this year.